Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Please make sure that you set your alarm for 1:30 Eastern Standard Time, or if you're with me in the West Coast, that's going to be in about 2.5 hours. President Biden is set to speak about lowering gas prices, and again, that is at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. The reason that this is so important is that as oil has been obviously a really big influence, negative influence for the overall market, whatever it is that he says based off of set expectations can either drive the price down of the market, regardless if it's just oil related, and or drive the price up. This is something that you definitely need to take into consideration if you're currently invested in any positions that get influenced based off of demand levels and supply levels of oil. With that being said, we've even seen tech stocks drop as it acts as a negative market sentiment with oil prices being so high. So what is to be said, right? Well, obviously gas prices are super expensive. We have no solution for the very high demand and the very low supply. It is to be said that the Biden administration wants to tap into oil reserves in the United States. Just a little heads up. Tapping into the oil reserves are normally only done during national emergencies, such as wartime. Again, you guys can share down in the comment section if you think that this is the smartest thing to do right now. Again, it's just your opinion, right? But I want to hear you guys out and what your guys' opinion is. He is set to release 1 million barrels of oil every single day for, if I'm not mistaken, up to 6 months. It's about 180 million barrels of oil. Just so you guys know, the average consumption per day of oil in the United States is 20 million barrels. So this is about 1/20th of what is consumed on a daily aspect. The part that I find so interesting is those are the set expectations of what's to be said today at 1:30. I just need you guys to be aware of this because I want you to prepare now and not be afraid or scared of, hey, what's happening, right? I need you guys to be aware of what's going on now and effort to prepare. You shouldn't be scared. It's just simply time to prepare. With that being said, there's been states that have taken, in my opinion, ridiculous approaches of, submitting bills and requests for something like California. I think it's Gavin Newsom submitted a bill of like $8 or $9 billion for California residents to each receive almost like a stimulus check or a debit card of $400 that can be spent at the pump. And I get it. Gas prices are pretty expensive. I just don't feel like printing more money is something that is needed. I don't know. It's like we continue to go back to, what caused this overall downfall originally, right? It's printing more money, which that therefore causes inflation, right? And just everything along the way, it's like, all right, well, let's just print more money. Well, let's just print more money. I don't know, right? Obviously, I'm not a politician. Obviously, I'm not a policymaker. I just don't feel like that's the most effective way long-term to create a solution, right? Why not try to work with, some of the largest oil producers, right? All over the world. Why not come with or actually settle on an agreement with Venezuela or Iran on an oil deal? Something that I think can be sustainable where they can get us up to current demand levels in just 2 months. And that doesn't raise inflation rates, which therefore we won't then need higher interest rates. It's just this continuous kind of domino effect of the same thing over and over again. So you guys can feel free to share your opinions down in the comment section. I wanted to provide you guys with a really quick update because I do not want you at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time scratching your head wondering what is going on. I'd be more than happy to live stream while he speaks and see how the market reacts, only if this video gets over 1,000 likes. So if you guys want me to live stream that speech from the Biden administration, then again, make sure you destroy that like button. And if this video gets 1,000 likes by the time that he speaks at 1:30 p.m., I would be more than happy to go live and then trade the market with you guys. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you get alerted when it is that I go live. And also, friendly reminder, I upload new videos every single day. But on top of that, if you're an absolute beginner and you're ready to dive into the market, I have Learn Plan Profit 2.0. You get to watch me trade live every day. You get access to the A to Z video lesson library. And also, you get access to our trading HQ here in Chandler, Arizona. It's all inclusive, Learn Plan Profit 2.0, and it's the second link down below. Also, we're running one of our biggest sales. If you guys want to check this out, every order today gets a free flag. So if you want to pick anything up from our shoptechbuds.com website, it's the fourth link down in the description. If you want to pick up a mouse pad, if you want to pick up aluminum art, if you want to pick up a Wall Street tee, it does not matter. Add your favorite flag and you get it automatically for free at checkout. And again, that is only at shoptechbuds.com. I appreciate you guys' time. Wish you guys nothing but the best. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.